Hi. One of the things that really interests me most about modern physics is the curiosity and the wonderment that I see in my students when that topic comes up in class. And unfortunately, it doesn't have a chance to come up very often in most high school classes. But students are innately interested about things like the property of photons, quantum effects, relativity, dark matter, and dark energy. It's just things they've heard of that they would really like to know more about. I think teaching modern physics in a high school setting can prompt lifelong curiosity in students. And I've seen this in some of my own former students. I think it can also help them with understanding how scientists can learn so much about the universe with measurements that are beyond what humans can normally perceive. And they can really understand how science works today, not hundreds of years ago. I remember a particular case where I've been lucky enough several times here in Central Ohio to take my students to see the Alpheus Smith Lecture, sponsored by Ohio State. And I remember back in 2015, Kip Thorne was the speaker in the fall, and he was talking about the physics of interstellar. And I had a wonderful group of students, a large group go. And there was something really interesting that he alluded to, which later became obvious, was the LIGO experiments and the detection of gravitational waves. It had not yet been published, it had been submitted for review, but you could tell the excitement that he had, and it really sparked excitement in my students. They were wondering what it was all about. I had students go up and speak with him and talk with him and get their pictures taken like he was a rock star, because in the world of science, he was. And so I'd really like the opportunity to demonstrate this to my students in my classes. And I think it's a great opportunity for me to model inquiry because I don't have a huge background in modern physics. But inquiry is the way that we learn things, and it's a great thing that I would like to do in my classes. Thank you.